So we are seeing a lot of headlines about how the bond market's going up and this is a catastrophic potential indicator or something along those lines. So I kind of want to do a little bit of research and just kind of see what that means, what they're talking about. So is it a bad thing when the bond market goes up? So basically, just quick overview of what the bond is. It's basically just a way for the government to borrow money. People buy bonds and then the government will then pay out the bond with a certain amount of interest rates. When interest rates are rising, that means people aren't going to the bond market as much, so they have to incentivize people to invest in bonds, which means making the rate go up. So why does this happen? So basically, there's two places people will put their money into if they want to invest. It's either the stock market or the bonds. In a healthy economy, when the stock market's doing well, people want to go to the stock market because that typically offers a better rate of return. But when things are getting shaky, they want to take into a more low risk investment, and that's when they move to bonds. But what we are seeing is a kind of a decoupling of that. There's uncertainty in the stock market, which is causing prices to go down, but there's also rising bond rates, which means people are selling out of the market and not buying into the bonds market, which essentially means they're either sitting on cash or that money is moving out of the country. And this will become a pretty big issue because, well, our debt is insane as a country. So we need to eventually, we're going to be taking out more and more money as our deficit increases. With the budget cuts, our deficit's even going higher. So basically what's happening is we're about to take out a lot more debt because we are eroding our tax revenue base. And with bond rates being high and going up, those interest rate payments are going to be significantly higher. And this is a chance to potentially snowball because we are raising our debt at a super fast rate and we're having to lock it in at a higher rate as well. So interesting where this could lead to. Markets are uncertain anyway, so who knows? By the time I post this could be completely different, but it's seeming like a pretty bad indicator. But numbers haven't come in yet, so I'll probably make another video once all of these post-Liberation Day numbers really start hitting.